What up, peeps? Welcome back to Slick Up TV. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into some stuff today. So I got the hatch at work. I was cleaning her up from spraying. I didn't want to overspray. I cleaned the wheels, put acid. They look a lot better now. And disregard the music in the background. Look how she looks fucking shiny, bro. So now I'm gonna pick up the parts that I ordered. Battery tie down with the brackets, the nut, everything Honda. And I also got my shift link in. So this is the part that's broken on mine down here. It separates here, so whenever I throw gears, it comes apart and it's hard to throw in the gear. Battery tie down's in. I mean, I didn't want to record installing it. Pretty self-explanatory. You gotta slide the hooks into the plate that's there and one in the bag, and then just put the bolts and tighten it down. Simple. So yesterday I decided to do a burnout, and I was hearing a weird thump, and it turns out it's nothing bad. Just like I said, my lower control arm is messed up and my outer tie rod. So those parts are coming in soon. I'll replace them as soon as I get them. We're just hanging out here. I'm gonna actually put the shift link on now. It's over there. Well, I got her on the lift now. Let me show you what I was talking about. See if I could. Anyways. But let me show you what's wrong with the shift link. See, it moves. It's like rusted. It's not supposed to really separate like that from there. Look how rusty that is. And then every time I put gear, see? It's like retarded, so I'm gonna replace that now. Bolt doesn't want to come out, so I'm torching it up. We're gonna break it off. I got the new one in. No more play. That's what I was looking for. So now it's brand new. Brand new bolts. I do have these bushings coming in, so I'll put those in soon. Once I have it in the air, so that way I can do my control arms. But that thump noise was this outer tie rod and my lower control arm's bad. So on both sides, I'm swapping them both out. Like I said a bunch of times. I also got a little exhaust leak right there. So I'm probably gonna have to replace this very, very soon. So we came to the junkyard because I need a proportioning valve. So we found an EG coupe here. I'm gonna take that sucker out. Oh, fuck. Junkyard fine. And it's stick shift. I should take the transmission. Easy there, Punchy. Was it?
Yep.
Oh, you need a 10?
I need a 10.
10 is
right here. Where is it? Oh.
Oh, it's another Civic?
Yeah. I bet you it has no motor. It'll be easier to take it out.
Damn, man, I kind of want this transmission, but I don't know if it's good or not.
James, you should have bought a small 10. No come aquí.
Huh?
Hell no.
Uh-oh, we gotta get tools. So we got the proportioning valve out. We just snipped all the wires and it was 310 bolts. But I'm hoping that this doesn't leak. It doesn't look like it did leak. And I'll clean it up real nice and take all these out and then go from there. Also, we did fix the shifter. Everything's good now. It returns perfect like it's supposed to. OEM, no play, pretty solid. All the gears going nice now. No more drama with the shifter. I also did pick up a bunch of 10 mil bolts. Like I said, I am replacing all those 10 mil bolts on the engine bay that have those Allen key bolts. I really don't want to deal with none of that stuff. So I managed to get all these lines off the proportioning valve, which was I sprayed it with PB Blaster, let it sit for a while, and then took them out with a special wrench that actually wraps around the whole piece. So I managed to take them out. Thank God I didn't break anything. So now I'm gonna scuff it up, paint it up. Hopefully the one I have on the firewall now doesn't give me problems with these. Well, I was gonna start working on the proportioning valve on my car, but with the weather being so crappy, you know, we live in Pennsylvania. Well, I live in Pennsylvania, and it's snowing lately a lot out here, so I don't really have time and a place to work on the car other than yesterday when I did the shift link. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. I want to give a shout out to Honda Vlogs. Thank you so much for giving me a recap on your channel. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel down below in my description. If you want to check him out, he does a lot of recaps of everybody in the YouTube world that does Honda and Acura stuff. So if you're interested in that, check him out. He covers Zosh, Honda Street Garage, a lot of people I don't even know about. So that's why I watch him, because I found other channels. So check him out. Well, I'm home now. Got out of work. I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.